Hey, welcome back, friends, to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and we are in the last video of this album, ladies. All right, so let's get busy. We need to work on this, and I had said before, I think I was going to do this, and I think I will. I do like that. When you close that, I do like that. Okay, so we know our album is 9. So I'm going to cut these. Just 1 tick past 8 3/4. I like my covers to be just a tad bit longer, okay? I know this one has to be a little bit shorter, so we'll do 3. That should catch it. All right. So there's that, and I really like that. Okay, I like that. So I will put that on off camera. Ooh, that is so pretty. Gorgeous. I think, did I cut an extra strip off? Oh, ladies. Let's work on this cover. I'm going to flip my book. Oh, shoot, we haven't even done the back yet, ladies. We haven't even done the back yet. That would be upside down. All right. I like that. I like that. Now, I have a little bit in mind. I had this piece. I don't know how that will go now. And I had a strip of orange. So we may take that away. Put my strip of orange. I had this photo card. I'll see. See how this goes. I do like that here. Somehow it had something like this. And then I put that there. I do like that. I love that strip being there. I love that. I'm glad I thought about that. Okay. That piece is too small. Let's see what we're going to put on the back, ladies. I think, let me try something here. Let's try 1.5 inches. First, let's cut it to our desired length, so 8 3/4, 1 tick mark past, okay? And then I'm going to try 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches may be too too wide. Not for sure. Let's check this out, ladies. Oh, I think that would be cute. I think that would be very cute. So, we got these here. So at least, I'm going to say it's about 7.5. Because we want some of that to show. Okay, so I'm going to go 7.5 and hope and pray it's enough. So 7.5 by, we know, 8 3/4 and 1 tick mark. I like that. I like that, ladies. I do. Pretty, pretty. Alright, so I'm gonna set this aside, and I'll put this on off camera, okay? Don't lose all my pieces. Well, and then that. Well, let's just go ahead on this, okay? I'm going to use my 1/4 inch, well, let's use my half. Oops, that's my 3/8. And this will be the last video, and I'll come back with a final review, okay, of the album. Okay. Let's see, I think I want to ink this up. This orange piece just right up against that. Okay. And a lot of times just finding a colored cardstock to go with your paper can sometimes just really wow your paper. So sometimes it does help to find some cardstock. Especially if you got a paper pack that's, you know, don't have a whole lot of paper in it. See if I can get this close enough. Alright, let's get the brown piece. Oops. I think I want to ink this one as well. Going to put it, see if it was at the same size. Nope, a little bit smaller. Okay. Oh, this piece has got to go on here yet. First I got to decide where my card is going. Okay, so if I stay on that line, just like that. Do I want to ink? Yeah, probably better ink it. Alright, I think I wanted it right up against... Oops, wrong end, because I inked one end, not the other end. Alright. Get this card down. This has really been a fun album to make. I hope you guys make this album. It really is a fun album to make. And it can hold so many, if you're doing it as an everyday album, it can hold, if recipe cards, I know it will hold 100, because in my other one, I have 100 recipe cards in it, plus photos. So it's, can hold quite a bit, ladies. I wanted that to stick out a little bit further, but oh well, it didn't quite happen, but that's okay. That is okay. Okay, we'll stick that there. I think I'm going to use a few of these stones. Oops. That one didn't work. Sorry, I know my head is probably in the way. Cute, cute ladies. I know I probably should have used some glue on those too. Usually I do. Some odd reason I didn't this time. I may stick a little bit of glue underneath that. Excuse me, ladies. Okay, that is our covers. Let's make sure that we've got everything else done. Okay, I got the piece. Oh shoot, hopefully I didn't use. Shoot. I was gonna say, I hope I didn't use those pieces. Alright, I think we've got. I will come back with the final review on this. If you want to put tags in here, I would probably put them about 7 3/4. You can make them any size. I would probably make it to where it don't stick, you know, this out of here, you know, no more than 4 3/4. This one here, because these go all the way in, okay? So, you could do, like 7 3/4 by 4 3/4 for here. Here you could do a tag that was, you know, 6 3/4 by 7 3/4, or do photo mats to go in these pockets. Photo mats to go in here, or you could do, you know, a just a big pocket one that would, I'd go 7 by 7 1/2. Okay. All right. I will get some of these done, and I will come back with the finished product, ladies. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following me along with this recipe album. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the comment section below, and I will get back to you. Okay, we'll see you in the final review. Keep scrapping, ladies. Bye-bye.